66 is the natural number following 65 and preceding 67. Usages of this number include cinema. 66 is a 2006 British movie about a bar mitzvah in London on the day of the 1966 World Cup final. In the Star Wars movie series, Order 66 is a prepared order to the clone troopers to kill the Jedi commanding them. Computing. 66 MHz is a common divisor for the front-side bus speed, overall central processing unit speed, and base bus speed. On a Core 2 CPU and a Core 2 motherboard, the FSB is 1066 MHz. The memory speed is usually 666.67 MHz. And the processor speed ranges from 1.86 GHz to 2.93 GHz, in 266 MHz increments. Mathematics. 66 is a sphenic number, a triangular number, a hexagonal number, and a semi-meandric number. Being a multiple of a perfect number, 66 is itself a semi-perfect number, since it is possible to find sequences of 66 consecutive integers such that each inner member shares a factor with either the first or the last member. 66 is an Erdős-Woods number. Motor vehicle transportation. The designation of the historic U.S. Route 66, dubbed the Mother Road by novelist John Steinbeck. The designation of U.S. Interstate 66, a freeway that runs from Virginia to Washington, D.C. The designation of 36 U.S. state and 2 territorial highways. Phillips 66, a brand of gasoline and service station in the United States. Religion. The total number of chapters in the Bible Book of Isaiah. The number of verses in chapter 3 of the Book of Lamentations in the Old Testament. The total number of books in the Protestant edition of the Bible combined. In abjad numerals, the name of Allah numeric value is 66. Science. Astronomy. Messier object spiral galaxy M66, a magnitude 10.0 galaxy in the constellation Leo. The New General Catalog object NGC 66, a peculiar barred spiral galaxy in the constellation Cetus. The Saros number of the solar eclipse series, which began on the 12th of March 756 and ended on the 1st of May 542. The duration of Saros series 66 was 1298.1 years, and it contained 73 solar eclipses. The Saros number of the lunar eclipse series, which began on the 12th of August 671 and ended on the 27th of January 826. The duration of Saros series 66 was 1496.5 years, and it contained 84 lunar eclipses. Physics. The atomic number of dysprosium, a lanthanide. Sports. The Green Bay Packers of the National Football League retired jersey number 66 for linebacker Ray Nitschke, the last Packer to wear number 66 before it was retired in 1983 to honor Nitschke was offensive tackle Larry Fole, who is better known to professional wrestling fans as Lex Luger. Jersey number 66 was retired by the Pittsburgh Penguins of the National Hockey League in honor of Mario Lemieux. Television. Route 66 was a popular U.S. television series on CBS from 1960 to 1964. Video games. In the video game Full Metal Alchemist, elusive villain Barry the Chopper is imprisoned in cell number 66, which later becomes his alias when battling the brothers at Laboratory 5. Other fields. The International Direct Dialing Code for Thailand. The number of the French department Pyrénées Orientales. Municipal Okrug number 66. Name of Kyonaya Reka Municipal Okrug of Primorsky District of St. Petersburg, Russia, until 2008. The name of a German card game, translated from Sex und Sexug. The name of a card game derived from the German card game, 66. In telecommunications, a 66 block is used to organize telephone lines. 66 is the number of hot dogs eaten by world record holder Joey Chestnut in 15 minutes at the Nathan's Hot Dog Eating Contest in 2007. Sergio Mendes and Brazil. 66 was a 1960s group. 66 WNBC Radio was a popular New York radio station, which became WFAN on 1 July 1987. Lil B has a song entitled OMG 66. La 66 is an operette in one act of 1856 with music by Jacques Offenbach and a French libretto by Pitaud de Forges and Lawrence. In the horror genre and Western esotericism there are 66 legions of demons, spirits that Baal controls.